What's up, guys? I picked up this for my replacement. As you guys see my other video, I had a bad wheel or a bad rim that I picked up. It was actually this one right here. So I picked up a replacement online, and then it came within 4 days, so not bad. But I thought the packaging was gonna be a lot better, but it's just in this box here, so hopefully the rim isn't damaged. But yeah, let's open it up and see. Here it is. Voila! Brand new wheel. Let me take it out of the box. Alright, there it is. Brand new wheel. Let's see if it fits. It should, but we'll just test it out. And it also came with the valve stem. A blue one. So, well, there it is. The one I had on this car is all black. But yeah, let's put it on and see if it fits. Just test fit it out quick. 17 by 9. I don't know why it says 5 by 100 here. That's what scares me. It should be 5 by 114.3. But the sticker here says inspected by Y Suzuki 114.3. So we'll find out. And she's all jacked up. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I Alright, one thing that caught my attention was this one is inspected by the same guy. So I don't know if he's the only guy that inspects wheels or what, but same guy. Let's see if this one says 5 by 100 too. Let's see. Yeah, this one doesn't say it. It's by the kilograms. This one, that's all that says. Oh well, let's find out. Set the camera down over here.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I?
There she is. She fits. Oh yeah. Now just gotta get tires or swap this tire over. Eventually I'm gonna run RE71 on these Protenzas. Protenza RE71 is gonna go on these. So well, I gotta wait till spring. I'll probably just swap this one over. For some reason, even though it's got the big crack on there, it's not leaking air or nothing. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one yet. I don't know if it's even bent or not. But if it's not bent, I'll wait till spring to run it. If it's not bent, I can just probably use it as a spare. But you can clearly see right there. So that's it, guys. I just want to give you guys an update on this. Now that I got this set and done now, I don't have to worry no more. All I gotta do is save up for some tires and get the fitment in the rear to fit. Gotta roll that fender, so coming real soon here. So other than that, that's it. Have a great day and peace out.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.